In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a domain as a custom URL on a new Google site. If you're looking to make your Google site look more professional and aligned with your personal or business brand, customizing your domain is a great step to take. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Google site and take a close look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on it to access your site settings. This is where you'll be able to make essential changes and customize various elements of your site, including adding a custom domain. Once you're within the settings menu, look for an option labeled custom domains. Clicking on this will take you to a section dedicated to managing your site's domain settings. It's important to note that having your own domain not only helps with brand recognition, but also makes your site more memorable and easier to find. Now you'll see a button that prompts you to start the setup. Go ahead and click on Start Setup. This will initiate the process of linking your custom domain to your Google site. It's a straightforward step, but don't rush through it. Small mistakes can lead to issues later on. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the domain that you already own or plan to use. It's crucial that the domain is correctly registered under your name before proceeding with this setup, as you'll need to verify ownership of the domain during this process. Paste the domain you've decided to use into the provided field. Double check it to ensure there are no typos or errors. After pasting your domain, follow any additional prompts to verify your domain ownership. This might include either adding a particular record to your domain's DNS settings or verifying through the email address associated with the domain. The verification process confirms that you're the rightful owner of the domain, so it's an essential step that cannot be skipped. Once you've verified domain ownership, take a moment to review all changes and confirmed settings to ensure everything is accurately configured. If everything looks good, you can finalize the setup. Your Google site should now be accessible via your new custom domain, offering a professional touch to your online presence. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a domain as a custom URL on your new Google site. Remember that this new setup might take a little bit of time to propagate, so if it's not working immediately, allow some time for the changes to take effect across the web. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult Google's support documentation for additional help. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.